Greetings and salutations, faithful viewers. In this video, we finish up our 36-hour trip to San Diego with a walking tour. This walking tour features the 7 bridges of San Diego. This tour is about 5.5 miles in length and takes about 3 hours. You can pick up the start of this trail on the east side of Balboa Park, just next to the Inez Grant Rose Garden. While you're there, you can also visit the Xeriscape Garden.
Inez Grant Park Memorial Rose Garden, one of only 4 U.S. gardens that has received the Award of Excellence from the World Federation of Rose Societies. That is a gorgeous rose. Oh, Mrs. P would love this. I love the peach colored roses. That one right there.
Which one?
The one right there.
That one right there?
Mm-hmm. Yellow on the inside and then red on the outside.
It won't focus. There it goes. That's pretty. God has a way of creating beautiful things.
1914 Laurel Street Bridge, the first multiple arched cantilever bridge built in California, which spanned a small lake during the 1915 Panama, California Exposition. This tree was planted prior to the 1915 Panama, California International Exposition, was the focus of a formal garden located at this site. Because of its large size, it is listed as a co-champion with the Santa Barbara fig in the California Department of Forestry Registry of Big Trees.
So California has a whole registry of big trees?
Apparently so. Tree girth, 42 feet. That's it. That.
The Rio Bridge. Civil engineering landmark completed in 1915. Designed in the plaque was designed in 1986 by San Diego section of the ASCA. Terry.
There's really not anything here.
Okay.
It just says enjoy the movement when crossing over Cape Sessions Canyon.
Doesn't give the history of it?
Follow 2nd Avenue north for 1 block, then turn left on Maple to Albatross Street, where you will see a plaque commemorating Waldo Waterman's flight of a biplane hang glider launched by Autotow in 1909. Commemorating establishing a record of 50 years as an active pilot and for his many contributions to the science of flight. The Early Birds, in cooperation with the San Diego Historical Society, dedicate this plaque to Waldo D. Waterman on the 50th anniversary of his first flight from this spot, dedicated July 1, 1959. First Avenue bridge was built in 1931, shipped to San Diego to be reassembled in place. It is still the only steel arch bridge in the city. Reopened in 2010 after a 15-month refurbishment that included retrofitting to California earthquake standards and removal of lead paint. The wooden trestle bridge was built in 1905 at a cost of less than $1,000 to allow easier access to the 4th Avenue trolley station.
This beautiful mural is located on an Ace Hardware. It depicts a loading dock scene.
Wooden trestle bridge with eased usage of the University trolley line that was the primary transportation line in San Diego from 1888 to 1949. All along the bridge it has little inspirational sayings.
Okay, let's go see what they are.
A good walker leaves no tracks. Happiness and health are coming your way.
Yeah, it's from the Peking Noodle Company.
Favor the walking stick of experience over the speeding cart of fortune. Philosophy travels.
Every man must decide whether he will walk in the light of creative autism or darkness of destructive selfishness.
I prefer selfishness.
Me too.
Have brains in your head, feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose.
Decide where to go. Dr. Seuss. Hey, he's the best of these philosophers.
Yeah. May I walk, being as it used to be long ago, may I walk. Navajo chant. Collective feelings, may I walk, being as it used to be long ago, may I walk.
It was so, such a Navajo chant, they repeated it twice.
No, it was the second verse.
Oh, okay.
You know, same song, second verse?
Yeah.
What idle or significant sentence may we write with brick and stone, wood, steel, and concrete on the sensitive page of it?
And that's it. Oh, looks like there's more up here.
Poetry is not only dream and vision. It is the skeleton architecture of our lives. It lays the foundations for a future of change, in which we will cross the fears of what has never been before. I like that.
The Georgia Street Bridge, originally constructed as a redwood trestle bridge, was constructed in 1907. It was built after the ridge was cut to allow for a streetcar line to extend eastward to Fairmont Avenue, opening the north part and other surrounding areas to development. In 1914, the current concrete bridge was built and is now designated as a local, state, and national landmark. That's about all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, remember to leave a comment down below. And also remember to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell notification to be notified the next time another one of our videos is released. Thanks for watching.